4 days ago, I had my smile makeover. I went with the 4-on-8 procedure here at the Smile Clinic in Utah. I have done substantial research on the best solution for my case, and I decided to go with the Smile Clinic here in Utah because they offer the best, in my opinion, solution to offer natural-looking teeth, amazing long-term results. Dr. Roberts and the team are first class. I cannot express how amazing everything went. It was smooth from the minute we arrived to today to my post-op. I'm absolutely loving my results. I can't stop smiling. Before, I didn't have the confidence of smiling because my teeth were flaring apart, they were stained. But now, just 4 days in, and I'm in my temporary teeth, and I love smiling. I can't wait for the final results, and my confidence level is up, and I'm loving it. For everyone that's doing research on a path of finding a solution, I highly recommend call the team here, get a consultation.